Hello friends, I am Kalpen Shukla, BTech Chemical Engineering 84 batch, PGDM from IIM Ahmedabad 86 batch. I have worked with Unilever, Johnson & Johnson, Pidilite. My last assignment was as Chief Operating Officer at British Gas Broadband. Currently a management consultant, explorer come experimenter trying to create social capital. I am also visiting faculty at few management schools including SP Jain, Wellinkar, IGTC, etc. I am also the president of IIM Ahmedabad Alumni Association Mumbai chapter, representing nearly 8,000 IIMA alumni, including a large number of senior executives and corporate leaders. I am also associated with Kherwadi Social Welfare Association, a 85-year-old NGO. We support Yuva Parivartan, one of the largest sustainable livelihood programs across the country, which touched 150,000 families last year. Under Thank You India Research Foundation, we carried out a highly successful experiment to promote positivity and appreciate the culture of daily tiny good acts. We worked with Thane Police Force and distributed 200,000 thank you cards to civilians for their good behavior on the road. I am promoter of Textentlicks Training Academy, a vocational training bureau. We work with government polytechnics to offer employment-oriented training to unemployed and at times uneducated youth. In last 5 years, we have trained more than 1,000 students with reasonable employment opportunities. I have been associated with IIT Delhi Alumni Association activities for more than a decade, starting with Pan IIT event held in 2006. I have closely worked with office bearers to organize interaction and networking events for Mumbai-based IITD alum. I am very happy to mention that recently our batch of 84 created a fund to offer scholarship to needy students at IIT Delhi. Mumbai is home to a large number of IITD alumni, and therefore it is my firm belief that IIT Delhi Alumni Association must leverage this presence and strength. Our reach is not limited to just the corporate world but spreads across sectors and activities. To share my thoughts regarding my contribution to IIT Delhi Alumni Association activities, I have a few suggestions. First and foremost, I would like to strongly promote brand IIT across the batches and borders through diverse interaction points. Organize innovative programs and activities, lectures and panel discussions, strategic theme-based tie-ups and associations with leading academic and research institutions, effective networking with local government and bureaucracy to build goodwill. Next, I would like to create a very strong, vibrant startup ecosystem. Primarily bring the technology and ideas closer to capital and investors. Create a platform for result-oriented networking, including mentoring, startup support, funding, raising capital, employment and business opportunities, and even reverse mentoring. Next, we would like to coordinate between the Mumbai activities and institute initiatives, be it fundraising, senior alumni engagement, or faculty interaction programs. We would also like to create special interest groups, enlist alumni with common interest and bring them under a common platform to promote non-academic interest, be it art, culture, music, tracking, etc., and connect them with relevant resources to independently pursue these activities. We would also like to strengthen the camaraderie across the cities or chapters, create opportunities by which they work together and jointly promote activities. We would also like to create an exchange for ideas to give back to the society. Primary purpose is to promote CSR kind of activities in association with individuals and corporates. Finally, let me assure you, I have successfully implemented all the above mentioned agenda items at IIM Ahmedabad Alumni Association Mumbai, and I am very confident of doing it for IIT Delhi and IIT Delhi alumni. I look forward to receiving your support and expect you to vote for the most deserving candidate to represent you. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Take care and be safe. Thank you.